Just a quick video today, guys. I was driving my 95 Lexus and noticed I got a slow air leak on the front left tire. It was losing 2 or 3 pounds a week, and I was hearing a ticking sound as the tire went over, and that really sounded like a nail or a screw stuck in the tire, and that's absolutely what it was. So what you can do is pour soapy water on the tire as you move it around and you look for air bubbles leaking out. I didn't need to do that. It was very obvious. Yeah, right there. Check that out. That's the end of a screw. So obviously first thought is take it in, 50-60 bucks to have the shop repair it, or 10 bucks for this guy. Let's say 40 bucks. I'll show you how to do it. First thing you want to do is let all the air out so the screw doesn't fly off when you pull it. Well, that's just about it. Took a lot longer than I remembered. Now, these kits say only for emergency repairs to get you to the tire shop. I mean, that's just a liability thing. I've done this 5 or 6 times in my life and put a combined 150,000 miles on tires I've repaired myself. Never had any problem, so I think it's pretty much what happens at the tire shop. Let's pull that screw. Yeah, I wondered if it wasn't going to want to come. There we go. Once that's out, you've got your reamer. This is just to rough up the edges of the rubber so the plug and the glue bond to it better. It says 4 or 5 times. I think that's probably going to do it. This stuff, unsurprisingly, is very sticky and hard to get out. Then you're just going to thread it through. There we go. Slide it till it's halfway on. Cover everything with the putty. This just helps seal it up, obviously. And then you're going to want to put it in. Push it till it's about 2/3 of the way in. Like that. Maybe slightly farther in. And then to release the plug, you just pull on this really fast. See if we can do it. Nice. Yeah, it's good. So last step, just trim off. Obviously, whatever you don't trim is gonna get worn off on the road anyway, but there we go. And then refill it with air. Gonna take a lot of air going from 0 psi. We got our 34 psi in there, no bubbles, so we should be good. Obviously we'll check it again in a couple weeks, make sure everything's good, not losing air, but only took me 10-15 minutes total and saved 40 bucks.